Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll cover one more important topic, guys. It's for the Java collection. Okay, so we have already discussed that like oops concept here. Okay, and now we'll cover collection. Okay, which is mostly used. Okay, in all our applications, web applications or mobile applications. Okay, in case of if we have huge amount of data. Okay, so just go for example of a geographic point of view. Okay, so suppose in our application we have a huge amount of data, like suppose we have a data of the country. Okay, so in the country we have lots of states are there. Okay, so in the states we have lots of districts are there. Okay, then villages and so on. Okay, so the stores all the data. Okay, so we go for the collection framework. Okay, so collection is, guys, nothing but a nothing but a interface. Okay, so collection is an interface. Okay, guys, so what is interface? Okay, I like already cover in my previous video, guys. Okay, we already covers that what is the interface. Okay, the normal oops concept interface inheritance. Okay, so if not go for that video, guys, till now you can go and just have a good knowledge on it, then come back for this particular video. Okay, so collection, as I told you, it's an interface. Okay, so we'll go for the collection. What are the types of collection now? Okay, so what is collection? So Java collection is a framework that provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects where we can achieve all the operations, okay, that we perform on the data, such as searching, storing, inserting, manipulations and deletion. Okay, so whenever we go for build a Java applications or in the automation testing purpose also, we definitely go for this collection framework, guys. Okay, so and suppose I already give example for a, suppose we have drop down of that on state. Okay, so there are lots of districts are there. Okay, so to store that particular element we definitely go for this Java collection only. Okay, so let's go for the types of collections. So for the collections, okay, so collection is an interface. So these are the child interface. Okay, so first one is a list. Okay, so list is extend to collection. Okay, because we know that from interface to interface extend keyword is used. Okay, so class to an interface implements is used. Okay, so for the list interface there are various classes, are most usable classes, guys. Okay, so first one is array list. Okay, then linked list and vectors. Okay, so then the next one is the set interface. Okay, so in the set interface, same we have same some most usable classes, guys: hash set, links hash set and tree set. Okay, then the next one is map interface. Okay, so in the map interface also we have some classes like Hashmap, linked Hashmap and so on. Okay, so in the map interface, guys, we have to go for the key and value pair. Okay, so it's most usable interface, guys, when you go for any tabular structure. Okay, so we'll discuss minutes later. Okay, for on this. So first to go for that one by one, guys. Okay, so we already know that this collection is a framework, guys. Okay, so we have to just go for what is framework then. Okay, because these all are, guys, is most askable interview questions. Okay, in the interview definitely go for what is Java collection. Okay, sometimes they ask what is framework. Okay, so what is framework in Java? Okay, so the framework is like, a framework is inbuilt structure. Okay, a framework, I just writing for you guys. Okay, a framework is a inbuilt structure, okay, of what classes and interface. Okay, classes and interfaces. Okay, that is used for build. Okay, building software application. Okay, building software applications. Okay, so whenever we go for build applications, okay, so make applications, so all these inbuilt classes interface are used for Java only, guys. Okay, so by some of the time we are just use the static classes, where some of the time we are just using the object creation concept. Okay, so this is a definition of framework. Okay, so when you go further one by one, guys. Okay, so first one is list interface. Okay, what is list? Okay. So as I told that there are various classes, guys. Okay, so first is the then you go for that what is list. Okay, list is what is the feature of list. Okay, we'll go for the one by one only. Okay, so in the list interface, guys, we already know that is the child interface of collection. Okay, then the classes are like array list. Okay, then linked list and vectors. Okay, vector, and also one more classes like stack. Okay, so these are mostly used for the development perspectives, guys. Okay, so array list. Okay, so what is array list? So array list, guys, is a like implements the list interface. Okay, and it it's following the insertion order. Okay, so array list, I'm writing all these, guys, because all these all are interview questions, guys. They are just sometimes ask you what is the difference between ArrayList and Hashmap. Okay, so if you have some little bit idea on it, you can just uh, go for these points only. Okay, just small points. You can just give 2 to 3 points between this ArrayList or whatever other classes. Then you just crack your interview, guys. Okay, so in ArrayList, the fun is it's follow the insertion order. Okay, insertion order. Okay, and it is second point is it is non-synchronized. Okay, non-synchronized. Okay, okay, then it is just allow the duplicate value. Okay, it's allow duplicate value. Duplicate values. Okay, fine. Then you go for the linked list. Okay, what is a linked list? So linked list also have same whatever feature of that we have the array list. Okay, so only one different is the, guys, the manipulation is fast. Okay, because there is no shifting is required here. Okay, because it's all other here linked list all are the linked only. Okay, so it's very fast. It's fast. It is fast compared to array list. Okay, this is the only difference. Okay, but then all the rest of the points are same only. Okay, then we go for that. Here I am covering that whatever mostly used, guys. Okay, so we'll go for the set now. Okay, what is set interface? Okay, set interface. So for the set interface, guys, it is also that it's just implementing that particular the same from collection only. Okay, it's a interface. Okay, and that the child, what are the classes are, guys? It's hash shared. Okay, hash shared. Okay, and linked hash shared. Okay, linked hash shared. Okay, so why we are going for the set interface, guys, set in the set interface and classes, guys, because it is, if our requirement is, guys, it's not allowing the duplicate value, because in set the duplicate, okay, duplicate values are not allowed here. Okay, yeah, fine. Then we'll go for that, because all the features, this particular hash set is just used for that prospecting only, guys. Okay, because I mean this particular it's contain unique items only. Okay, it's not allowing the duplicate value. This is the main feature that we go for the set interface. Okay, then we move for that map. Okay, because now is most important, from your interface, okay, in the collection framework. Okay, so map, okay, map interface, fine. So the map interface, it cannot allow the duplicate keys, because it's on key and value. Okay, key and value pairs. Okay. So it's not allowing the duplicate value, duplicate keys. Okay, it cannot contain the duplicate keys. Okay, then what are that, like your classes are there, is Hashmap. Okay, Hashmap and linked Hashmap. Okay, so a map cannot contain the duplicate keys, guys. Okay, and each keys map to almost one value. Okay, and each keys have only one value. Okay, the map interface used to store the key and value pairs. Okay, so we'll go for the this particular like syntax one by one. Okay, what will be the syntax for like your list? Okay, what is your syntax for your set, and what is your syntax for your map? Okay, so we'll go one by one. So first we go for the list. Okay, so the syntax will, guys, list. Okay, then the data type will be there. Okay, whatever string, okay, or your integer. Okay, data type, data type, then your variable name here. Okay, whatever the variable name. Okay, then new array list. Okay, new array list, because array list is your class. Okay, so these are all are case sensitive, guys. Okay, so if you are writing this L as a small, it's showing the error. Okay, it will not import it, because all are means just following the imported all the classes from the list interface. Okay, so Java the util is that your it's importing all the class from the Java util only. Okay, so if you are not give the proper name here, okay, so it will not import. Okay, then we go for that, like your set. Okay, what is a set? What is that particular syntax of the set interface here? Okay, set, then same your data type. Then your same variable name here. Okay, variable name, then your new whatever you want, whether it's linked hash set, okay, or tree set. Okay, new hash set. Okay, then the data type will be here. then your parenthesis. Then we know that, guys, why are you using the set interface? Because it's not allowing the duplicate value. Okay, so in the Selenium also, when you go for the multiple window handle, guys, we go for the set interface only. Okay, I will definitely make the video how we are just handling the multiple window. Okay, switching the multiple windows. Okay, so then you go for that map interface. Okay, so the map also, map. Okay, here you know that it's just go for the what, en value pair. Okay, so there should be two data type. Okay, is data type 1, data type 2. Okay, then your variable name here. Okay, then your new, whatever you are going for, hash map or tree map. Okay, hash map. Fine. Okay. So these are the main features, guys, that when classes whatever for that collection framework. Okay, list, set, and map. Okay, so in the next video we'll cover how we are using it. Okay, suppose I already give an example for the array list. We are storing that multiple your drop downs value. Okay, then we are just for that like your set interface. I already give the example, like if we have multiple windows. Okay, because it's not allowing the duplicate value. Okay, so and in that like map also, suppose we have one tabular view. Okay, in the table, in the we have to implement a table, or we have to verify the table value in that, in particular your automation framework. Okay, so we'll go for the map. Okay, so for that, now guys, we just learn how, what are that, just go through this particular collection framework. Okay, what are the features, what are the uses. Okay, so in the next video, guys, I will give the example of each and every like your collections. Okay, list, set, and map. Okay, with the examples only. Okay, guys, so till then, if you are not go for the my previous video, guys. Okay, just go for it. Okay, and please subscribe for the next videos, guys. Okay, and give the like on that whatever video you are if and you if you have any issue or in or any doubts, we can just come back on your comment section. I will definitely reach out to you, guys. Okay, so till then, just go for this videos, guys. Okay, so bye bye, happy learning, guys.